Hi, I'm Colin Mahoney. I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Video and Control Products here at Harman Professional. Varia's flexibility, both in its mounting capabilities and its persona-defined nature, make it really unique in the marketplace today. Hopefully, you're getting some ideas for how that flexibility can benefit you, benefit your business, and benefit your customers. But because Varia is so different from some of the other touch panels on the market, we thought it'd really be worthwhile to sit and have a little bit of a conversation with Rob about some of the design decisions that went into creating this product, how we think those decisions are really going to benefit you and benefit your customers. And then I'm really interested in hearing where we think this platform is going to go in the future, what some of our next steps with Varia are going to be. Rob, thanks for sitting and talking to me.
Yes, thank you for putting this together. I'm very excited to do this.
I think the most interesting thing about these new panels are the personas. We've had apps before in the past on our Madero touch panels. What's the difference between how we handled apps before and how we handle apps with these new personas on Varia?
Well, in G5, the panel was always built around G5, and you could run apps on top of that, but they was always launched through the G5 app. It was never really a platform to build on. With Varia here, we really have these different personas built on the overall platform, so we can offer things that don't require a traditional Netlink system, like the book scheduling, the Zoom Rooms controller, the Web Kiosk. None of those require Netlink.
So when you say it's built on G5, you mean I have to use a Netlink's controller,
previously
I have to use TP design?
Correct. You were always tied to those development tools, and you were always tied to really that outcome of it being just an AMX touch panel.
So even if I had an app, I would still have to be an AMX programmer and...
Correct. You would still have to design it in TP Design 5 and then launch that app within that application.
Frees it up and makes it available for app designers and people who aren't traditional AMX control system users.
Definitely, yes.
Why did we decide on these 4 personas versus maybe something else? These
were 4 of the most probably requested personas that we have. We take a lot of feedback from our integration channel, and of course people want to still support Netlinks and AMX G5. Our book scheduling panel has been a real big success, and people wanted to be able to still utilize that, so we added that to this platform. And then we've gotten a lot of feedback on people who want to use standard programming, HTML5, or Zoom has become huge over the past couple of years.
I know a lot of our integrators are getting really sophisticated in their IT capabilities. They have entire departments doing sophisticated programming and app development, building their own resource management software and things like that.
Correct. We've really turned that corner where AV is IT now, and they're using standard tools, they're using control dashboards, they're using web-based dashboards versus what they would use in a traditional AV system.
But they've had to use a consumer-grade touch panel or something.
Correct.
Like that.
You're really defined by a consumer entertainment device more than what I would consider a professional-grade appliance.
Do we have plans to add on to these 4 personas?
Exactly, yep. From the beginning, we knew that this platform could be expanded, so we're looking at expanding either internally with our other Harman Pro brands as they develop new products and need an interface platform. We can be that platform for somebody that's not an AMX brand within Harman Pro. We've also been talking to a bunch of different app manufacturers, UC providers, wayfinding apps, things that people would use in a lobby of a space or something for hoteling, for example, that we can include within Varia as just another persona. And then we also want our developers and our partners to create their own apps. Make your app the persona on Varia and give you that dedicated interface.
So I can make it basically a custom control panel just for me.
Correct, right.
And you said there are some partnerships with other Harman brands already?
Yeah, we're looking to partner up with brands like BSS, right, to be a direct interface to a BSS product versus, again, having to rely on Netlinks and write a module to connect to BSS. We can now do that directly.
Kind of plug and go.
Right.